Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Kids Fun Magic World. Friends, today our topic is morning assembly and Kring script. Dream is meaningless if you can only think. Dream is meaningless if you can only think. But it became true if you can work on it. But it became true if you can work on it. With this positive and motivational thought, friends, here you can mention your name from grade dash. Friends, here you can mention your grade standing here in front of you to conduct today's morning assembly presentation along with my teammates. As we all know that our assembly starts always with prayer, and prayer symbolizes union of soul with supreme soul. So let's join your hands, close your eyes and start Gayatri Mantra, and after that prayer. Pledge is the way to show our love and respect towards our motherland, our beautiful nation. So I request Dash for lead us with pledge. Friends, here you can mention the name of the person or student, those who is conducting pledge. Thanks Dash for leading us with pledge. A positive and motivational thought can make us our whole day filled with positive attitude. So Dash is coming with his her thought. Friends, here you can mention the name of the student who is conducting thought. Thanks Dash for his her beautiful thought. It is very important to know about what is happening in our surrounding. So here comes Dash for updating us with some news headlines. Friends, here you can mention the name of the student who is conducting or responsible for news. Thanks Dash for his her news. Now it's time to learn some moral values in our life. So here comes Dash to present a moral story. Friends, here you can mention the name of the student who is conducting story. Thanks Dash for his her story. Now it's time to know about our history. So for giving us some knowledge about our history, here come Dash for history of the day. Friends, here you can mention the name of the student. Thanks Dash for giving us knowledge about our history. Now it's time to check our IQ level. So here I would like to invite Dash to check our general knowledge level by asking some GK question. Friends, here you can mention the name of the student who is conducting GK question. Thanks Dash for his her GK question. Now it's time for national anthem. So let's ready for national anthem. Thank you and have a nice day. Thank you friends for watching my video. Friends, I hope you are like my video. Friends, if you like my video, so please subscribe, share and comment. Bye friends.